Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're going to sadly be opening a filler box because the content did not arrive in time. Now we're very sad, but instead let's open a box of Shadowverse Evolve, Flame of Laevateinn. And yes, it's not up to date. So I have this not exactly stack, but like a few boxes set aside for whenever there's nothing going on, so that we have things to open. And that's one of them. So let's see what we have. We have this cool thingy, which is a bell shaker melee, which says ding dong. And then let's get to opening. And see what we get here. We get an Alice's Adventure. And that's it here. And on to the next one. Where we have Alice, Wonderland Explorer, a Draconeer Knuckle Dragon, and an evolved Amero Spear Knight. And we're on to the next one. Let's see what we get in that one. Get a Seraph of Sin, and that's it here. On to the next one we go, with a Mystic Knight. Lovely. Very little foiling going on here because it's area only in certain spots. We also get a Macy Red Riding Hood. And we're already on to the next one. Where we have a Valiant Fencer. And now we didn't have the evolved version, but now we have a regular one, a Amero Spear Knight, and a Laevateinn Dragon attack form in the evolved version. On to the next one. Excitement. We have a Wizardess of Oz, a Castle in the Sky, and if I count correctly, second to last pack for the right side. As always, starting with the right side first, a Rapunzel and a evolved Wingy Chirpy Gemstone, which is very cute. And last pack for the right side. We have a Demonium Punk Devil. And then we're off to the left side. Where we get a Tilting at Windmills foil. And that's it here. And on to the next one, where we have a Masquerade Ghost, a Gabriel Seraphic Leo, which is also cute because cat, and an evolved Cosmos Thing. And on to the next one. Where we have a Rage Worm. Next pack. With the unevolved version of Wingy Chirpy Gemstone, which is also cute. On to the next one with a foil Mech Knight and a Felice Leonardian Mage. And that's it here. 3 packs left to go. We have a Milady, Mystic Queen. Runecraft with the whole chess sub-theme here. On to the next one we go. Second to last pack, by the way. We have Elf Twins Assault and Garul Seraphic Leo in re-evolved form. And we're down to the last pack. Let's see what that one holds. It holds a Magical Fairy Lilac. And that's it for the opening as well. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.